I've got to hay the cattle, so I need to put the hay spike on the tractor. Before I put the hay spike on the tractor, I've got to take the bucket off of the tractor, and it's a really easy thing. There are a couple of levers right here that release it. So I've got to get on the tractor and I got to put it on the ground and then release it, and then I just got to pull out from behind it. I'll show you. And then I've got to get over here for the other one. Here is the hay spike. I'll bring the camera around in a second. But here's the hay spike. I've got to get underneath it. I'll show you. And then I've got to latch it back. The hardest part about it is lining it up. So you got to take that really slow. And then after that, you can just put it in there and latch it. Easy as that. Now I'm just gonna go get the hay. I'm gonna take it to the cattle. All right, this is kind of old hay, but the cows still eat it. They knock off all that old stuff on the outside and they eat the stuff in the center, which is still good. The rain hits it and it messes that outside up. But that's really great for compost, and we just put it at a different spot every single time in our pasture. Gotta be honest with you, I'm not really very good at spiking this. Sometimes I spike it a little too low or high or the wrong angle. Papa does this most of the time. This is only the second or third time I've ever really done this. Instead of asking Papa to come and hay them, he's got a lot of things to do. I know I do as well. The cattle are up here where I am. I hear them lowing and asking for some hay. So I come up here, I go and get it and just take care of it. And as soon as they hear the tractor, they start lowing. So you can probably hear them in the background, especially Junior bellowing a bit. But I'm gonna get this on here, I'm gonna take it. I'm probably gonna end up taking them 2 bales because they are kind of small. Since we're keeping the cattle, we had talked about getting rid of the cattle. Since we're keeping the cattle, we need to make sure to have plenty of hay as we build up our pasture. I'll show you me spiking it and show you me coming in here as well. All right, and they got hay. I brought them 2 bale. I didn't show you me dropping it off, but I just set it on the ground, then I pull a spike out of it, very easy. And they came over here and ran right toward it. As you can see, they're digging in the middle of it and eating that, and they're leaving the other on the ground. And I've done that in several places over here, very happy cattle. The whole thing from the start to finish took about 20 minutes. That is from me changing the bucket to the hay spike. I'll probably put the bucket back on in just a moment. Like I said, we got 7 head. This one right up here in the front is the steer that was born last. Got a video on my YouTube channel about that. That's his mama. That's Cookies and Cream. That's Pumpkin and Cinnamon Junior. And then Cinnamon's baby is Toast. And we had the one last year is Coco. She's on the other side. Easy thing to do. I'll go ahead and do one more of me putting the bucket back on. It really is quite easy, the skid steer attachments. If you like things like this, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all so you never miss a notification. Thanks.